Okay, we're out here. We're going to go ahead and fly the Bixler. It's a little crosswind here. I'm trying out another camera also. That's on my visor and my hat. See what kind of video it has. I changed that prop, and hopefully this thing's going to fly. Let's see here. Don't sound good at all, boy. Sounds kind of sickly. We got some APC props coming for it. I really believe it's just a prop that comes with it, just it's poor quality. Yeah, it sounds rough. Sounds worse than it ever has. Let me cut. I've been flying 3/4. I'm gonna bring it down to half throttle. Yeah, there's something out of line. It'll won't damage that motor, hopefully. The wind's pretty stout right now. It's blowing this little thing all over the place. On this side here, got that sun. Something's going wrong here. Yeah, sure is. Bring it on in. I've got plenty of power left.